Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to reset guys Poco phone Bluetooth setting. So friends, you want to reset guys your Poco phone guys Bluetooth settings. So how to reset today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friend, first of all open your phone setting to reset your Poco phone Bluetooth setting. After on phone setting, then how to reset Bluetooth setting. So friends, connection and sharing option guys, tap here friends, and friends you can see guys your aeroplane mode. Friends, you want to on aeroplane mode, so friends you can on your aeroplane mode from here. You want to off, so you can off from here. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your reset setting, and friends you can see Bluetooth setting. We will tap here and we will reset. You want to reset? Yes. Okay option guys. After 5 and 6 seconds guys, setting will reset on your Poco phone. So guys, you can see Bluetooth setting has been reset, and friends now you can on, and friends you can use guys your Poco phone Bluetooth setting. Friends, you have connected any device, your device will forget automatic, and guys now guys again guys you will have to connect, and guys you will have to pair any Bluetooth device, and friends you can use with your Poco phone guys. After reset friends, you can the device will connect. So like that guys we can use guys Poco phone Bluetooth setting, and once you want to reset guys your Bluetooth setting, so friends you can reset it guys. Right side guys, you don't want to use the device, you can unpair from here. Now guys off your Bluetooth. So I hope friends you understood how to reset Bluetooth setting and how to reset guys. First open your phone setting, connection setting, and guys scroll it. Friends you can see Bluetooth, tap here to reset your Bluetooth setting. So guys your Bluetooth setting will reset. So bye bye guys, we will meet on next video. Friends, do you went out ready to guys your Poco phone setting, you can ask me comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.